Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brand TV show. If it's your first time here, kindly subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we talk about migrants and document issue. We bring information about our information to our beautiful people, so to be informed of what is happening around us. So, guys, today we're going to be talking about some, migrants and the government issues, the plans for the migrants. So, because of this, we know Italy have a new, government, and the new government, that is the prime minister, new prime minister, he's trying to form his own government. So we are hoping we understand, but there is one problem. There's one problem, that is Savani is always there. That's the problem. He's always there. He will try to, he's trying to, work with this new prime minister. That is his plan for now, because now many people are becoming in, many migrants are becoming in, and the rescue guides, the rescue team, they're saving lives, and they're happy by saving these people life, because those people back there in Libya, they are passing through hell. They are passing through hell, because the recent rescued people, that's the recent people that they rescued. Understand? Just a few days ago, telling them that the women are suffering, both the men. Children being given birth there without no hospitality, without no good drugs. When if woman get belly night, she's on her own. She gonna suffer giving birth. Them go to they feed the bikini with those dirty and bad environment that they put them. No food. Now they gonna try to risk themselves to cross, but they gonna see catch. They still go put them for that detention center again. Suffering continues. So so these people have the, let's say, the Italy and the Libya side, they get agreement to do do those pushback. If migrants want cross, they carry them go back. If the Libya could see them, they carry them go back. So this way they rescue people for the water. So they go cut that agreement when they get to the Italian, when they cut it, because those people life for that Libya, easy. They like UN, they give them money to take care of the migrants, hold them there, take care of them, don't let them cross. They don't use the money for them. They use the money for that thing. If they use the money on those migrants, and those migrants are not going to risk themselves for that water, they're not going to try them. But now, they're still risking their lives. Things get they complicated. They are fighting how to stop the flowing of migrants. Stop. They try, but the thing dey increase. Number one is our back home, the African leaders. Now go allow the African leaders come dey borrow our money, come dey put for their Swiss accounts. The money wey supposed to be used to take care of their citizens, to make sure that citizens dey well for their country of origin. They're not going to do that one. They're going to use the money for another thing. They are not thinking about anybody. They don't know you. They don't know you. If anything happens to their citizens, they don't even care. They don't know. They don't even want to know you. See embassy now. You want to go do passport. You go wait for your appointment. You go still wait for the passport to come out. Wait some countries like the Europeans or other African countries, once their citizens go there, now that they give the passport. But our own, if quarrel no come out, if they not protest, you go over the cry say you want use that document to travel. No, me na give me, I go pay more. Never. After all the money they don't collect for your hand, they will still put you on stress to show say no love, no caring for that citizen. Different place, all different embassy now, people don't they cry, they come out. Why? Show love to your citizens. Just look at the Italian bad Nigerians to not open accounts. Nobody ambassador to come and talk about it. It's unfair. Now they are seeing that people risking their life for that water. That desert. Nobody can talk. Everybody keep quiet. They no go say, okay, bring back my citizen. There is good development. I'm going to create good jobs, opportunities of employment. Come back. First of all, start that those promise first. First start am for the one wey dey house. If we dey see things dey improve, the rest go dey go back. But years dey pass, see the same story. Years dey pass, see the same story. Things will change, see the same story. Wetin dey happen? Then the Europeans now go fit dey use na people anyhow. Dey use dem anyhow. Una no go fit talk because if they like dey do na citizens anyhow, because na citizens leave that country come another country, which that our country dey well. Your citizens remain for that country. Even the Europeans dey come dey visit the Africans. Things for no dey hard. For no dey hard like this. Pay me see my people risking their life. Search for their daily bread to better that future. They will still come here before you come stay camp. Oh, dey camp. Oh, years go dey pass. You're not getting any younger. You are fighting hard to build something back home. You're fighting hard to form a better family, how to train your children in a better place, in a secure country. Then God will come down along the line, maybe you can't get documents, then job will come with a problem again. To see it's not easy anywhere. This country, the citizens they live well. If no job, they have some social benefits from the government. Countries wey dey take care of migrants no be their citizens. Whenever they part of the European, they are just from Africa coming, they are taking care of the migrants. Great countries, continent, Africa, when we got resources to make that continent a better place. They will allow some people manipulating it just alone. People come and convince you and take all those things away from you. We are the one wey don dey outside the country now, wey dey make that country develop, now wey dey make the economics dey boom, now wey dey send money every day, now wey dey send money back home for our family to dey well, now wey dey build house to make people still get work, still dey put money for their pocket, still dey feed their own family. Make our government make una try see things wetin dey happen. It's not working well. Now Savannah is planning to gang up with this new government so that they can tackle the migrants. Now Savannah dey talk say the migrant is not only their problem, it's not only their problem. All the Europeans need to come and put hand. The distribution wey they talk, they need to come and talk about it, how they will distribute the migrants, because they are coming over there from Italy. Many people dey tighten their borders not to let migrants go another country. So the new government sabi get as dey play on. If this man let sabi use am, e fit go fall for sabi trap. Country wey fit comot na sabi manipulate before that man comot. Sabi think say na him dey go give am, but they can't give another person. The man no dey under politics, he's just a banker. He's the president of a bank, Central Bank of Europe. So sabi say, okay, let me give you some kind of rules and regulations, let me give you some kind of ideas, all those sabi we just want to manipulate this man. But if the man don't use his sense, he can fall on the wrong side. You know, say Luciano Lamborghini is the prime minister, the interior minister You know the listening about what is happening talk. Because who must stand for ship to save life. Now I make all those boats, those ships, they go to rescue. Sabi be the stand, not those ships to now I block them before for some years before they can't let them go back again, go to rescue life. If not be so, life for not lose life anyhow. Understand? You know easy. My people, we need to be put hands together and make things work for us. Make peace dey our nation, our continent. The way these people dey serious, don't too much. We need to love ourselves. That's why we bring information so that we feel the pick the lane. Because we know wetin dey happen. We pray for better things. We pray for this new government to work well and a good purpose for the migrants also. When they create opportunity, understand, for many migrants. we're happy that they're saving lives. We're happy that they're bringing people who are passing through stress for all those, that Libya side to a better place they can, continue their future. But may they still try and make others commission, appeal, things they fasting sometimes. And all those other European countries, they try. If anybody come their country, they try, they give their documents. I don't want to be the main thing, they give the documents. They want me pass the application or we pass the asylum application when they see grants there. We don't know the staging. Person go come to Italy, say okay, no good opportunity for me because everybody blessing they different. That's what they talk about. Everybody destiny they different. So okay, make it move to another country. The other country now come put you for one place. Come let's say trancate you for one place or gog you for one place before you know years they pass. Because you think see that next country now will make your future or make your destiny more brighter. But they will see they use that document to stress you. When they see they try, they reduce those tight hands, stinginess of documents, when they see the open hand. Italy they try to give documents. When they see they learn from Italy. Italy is a better country. It's a very, very better country. May God they bless them. I don't want they to pray for. The government who want to enter. And these are governments we don't understand that. Person go enter another 2 years they will come out. Another person go enter another 1 year they will come out. Because we don't understand. They know they never love themselves for this politics. Who come do better, they will come out. Come till they try do better, they come out. Another person won't come now. Sabina see the pump, do this one, do this one, do this one. If that one go by mistake, make mistake, you know, come they follow Sabi way now. They will try what they want to remove her. Because they know say Sabi enter that prime minister. Sabi go change all the laws. Now what thing what they've planned. He say make that man try to go change law with their UN with UN where they go change some kind of laws. Understand? We go feel stopping all those migrants. Because they see migrants they rescue because that woman never they show face, never they give one face. That's the Luciano of Jesus. They don't give her face. Everybody they hurt. But the woman say solidarity and humanitarian. Now what is signed for? Life first. So we are praying well. You again we don't come. Commission, prepare your story. You are happy, write your try to amend your story. Amend your story. Documents we still dey on renew, we never come out, still they try to control to know if you don't come out. Understand? Anything you don't understand, when you try, still they ask if you get lawyer. Understand? If you get lawyer, make you try to ask. If any letter come from Questora, you don't understand that letter, try to contact a lawyer. Lawyer will help you, do some kind of things. Go through it to know what they make your documents they delay like that. Understand? Maybe sometimes they don't send you some kind of letter, you don't understand, you keep up. But some kind of things they miss inside we don't bring come. So before you go for renew, don't forget to do your passport, renew your passport, hold your passport so that everything will go well. Your passport. If you want to convert your document to Lavoro, it's very important. You can convert it to Lavoro to working permits. In the make documents, the make document they strong. If you want to travel, not too much, not too much panicking. Understand? But because you work, you contribute, you don't pay tax. So if you see who your casa specially, if you travel, but you need to be careful. Let me see you go to travel like that anyhow. Even as the political protection subsidiary. You understand? Let me say you now you need to travel because the document is protection. You understand? They give for protection. So you know how you take that to travel. So guys, let's stop from here. More updates will be coming in. It's your brother, your friend Kessy Brown TV show. We are hoping well. Let's Savi pack your face. Let the people live peaceful life. Let's up and please share this video and like this video. It's your brother, your friend Kessy Brown TV show. Bye for now.